Okay, so I got a little ahead of myself. I started showing you how to build a box beam before I showed you how to adjust your dust curtain to the height of the ceiling in the room you're working in. Presumably, your nexus are already set for the 8, 9, or 10 foot. When you receive the dust curtain, it's going to be set up for 10 feet. You're going to need to adjust, possibly, as we do in this room, where we have an 8-foot ceiling. The way we do that is we take our dust curtain, it's laid out just like it was before we put the box beam together. And before you do that, you're going to want to flip this over. What you're going to do by flipping it over is you're exposing 3 zippers, okay? The zipper closest to the top has a slide on it, okay? The other 2 match up to that. If you need to make it to a 9-foot, you're going to zip it to this first zipper, eliminating 12 inches. If you want to make it down to an 8-foot, you're going to come down to the second zipper. That's what we're doing in this room. So I'm going to grab this slide, I'm going to marry it up to this zipper here. Run it all the way down. I have now adjusted this dust curtain to 8 feet. It'll now match this ceiling height. So we're ready to go for the next segment. Let's go to it.